Again, for number 4, more stuff going on. We've got something outside the cube root, we've got something inside, but our main concern is to find the inside function. So here, inside function is the 7 minus 6x squared, because we're taking the square root of that. That would be our outside function. X on the outside, that's just there to help us get that du part. So don't worry about that right now, but it's going to become part of our du. Over here, we want to figure out what is du. Remember, it's just the derivative of this times dx. So derivative of this expression would just be negative 12x dx. Again, this is already represented in there. That's going to become u. We need to get du. So we know the dx is already in there. We have an x in there. Again, we're just missing that constant, that one term, negative 12. We want to go ahead and multiply the inside by negative 12, outside by negative 112. Doesn't look like a negative anymore. There you go. So now, negative 12, x dx, all three parts of the du are represented in there. So we end up with negative 112 times the antiderivative. All the blue stuff is the du. And we have cube root of u. But just like before when doing antiderivatives, sometimes we need to rewrite that. You may not need to write this step. You might go straight to this. We can just write this as u to the 1/3 du. So if we take the antiderivative of that, our negative 1/12 stays out in front. Add 1 to the exponent, so we get 4/3, and multiply by the reciprocal, plus c. So the negative 1/12 times 3/4, we end up getting negative 1/16. We're going to replace u with the original expression, 7 minus 6x squared to the 4/3 power plus c.